today's tutorial, basically what we're going to do, we're going to remove the background from an image that has hair. First thing you're going to do, click on the image, go to a new layer. Now click on the image itself and go to channels. Now I've already gone through all these channels and checked them all, and I thought which one's the best, which one's got the most contrast, and it's the blue. So we're going to duplicate that channel. Just right click it, duplicate, call it whatever you want, blue copy. And click on that and unclick the original one. Okay. Now we want to make this darker compared to the white. So you've got a distinctive difference. So we're going to go up to levels, image, adjustments, levels. Now the levels panel here, in the middle, just click on the one in the middle, start moving it to the right. And straight away, you've got this happening. That is totally awesome. Look at the difference there. Look at that difference. It really comes out all the black hairs, doesn't it? It's really coming out well. Okay, that's what we want. Don't worry about all this grey business and all this on the background. You can get rid of that later on. Okay, now with the Mac, hold down Command key, select, click it. The layers, click on the top one. Then click on the back one, then go to layer mask. On the bottom right here, underneath all the layers, you've got add layer mask. We do that, she's going to disappear. Don't worry, it's alright, she hasn't gone. Still there. Now to bring her back, and this will get rid of the white, we're going to invert the whole issue here, the whole purpose. Image, adjustments, and invert, bang. There you go. Thank you. And that is the most easiest way of removing a background when you've got hair. We'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. See here, you can see right through. See the same as pixels at the back there, you can see right through. And some of it here as well. And her eyes, inside her eyes, the white of her eyes. So what we're going to do, we're going to Alt on IBM or Windows or Option with a Mac, click on the layer mask. That will show us the actual mask itself. Now, get the paintbrush tool, select white, white reveals, black conceals. Just paint over that section. And this is the magic that will happen here. I'm just holding on the shift key while I do this so I can move it. Okay, and then hold the Alt again, click on that, reveal, and there you go. Look at that. Back to normal. Back to normal. The eyes, see the eyes? Back to normal. So there we go, guys. That's how you remove the background, especially when you've got hair in the picture. Thanks for watching. Cheers.